Choosing the right pronoun can be very complicated. Is it nisom or nisatom? Nisahum or nisahatkum? Language is a big part of our culture, and the respect we're supposed to show to elders is the reason behind the slight difference in the usage of this pronoun. To an older man, you're supposed to show respect to them according to our culture, so you don't say nisaha, you use the plural form or the respectful form, nisahum, different from nisahatkum that you will use for several people, general. For multiple ladies, general, it would be nisahatkin. For one lady you want to show respect to, you say nisachin. Learn to speak Tigrinya with our new conversation course, only on semikids.com.